Hey guys, this is Holden. Welcome to my another video. Today we'll see 4 apartments near Zhongshan Park station. This area is quite close to the city center. It's only 15 minutes by metro from the People's Square, which is absolutely the heart of Shanghai, and just one stop from Jian Temple. The commercial and the transportation is quite convenient in this area. Now, let's take a look for those apartments. They're all in this place, but they have different price. Alright, now let's take a look for the most affordable one. The entrance is also the kitchen, 2 gas stoves. I think this is oven. Oh, it's not an oven. Maybe this is a microwave. Okay, there are many storage for the kitchen. Alright, now let's keep moving. Here, this is a small living room, carpet and the sofa, and the television. Here is a central air condition. Now the bedroom. This looks cozy. The mirror and the wardrobe. Although the bedroom is not that big, but I think there are enough wardrobe space. The highlight for this one is the yard. Yeah, this little cute yard. Okay, let's take a look from the outside and up. Cool. Now the bathroom. The toilet is under maintained and the shower. Right. Now let's see the price. The price for this one is 7,500 RMB per month. This is quite affordable in this place. For this price, I would still give this 8.5 out of 10. Let's go to the next one. We arrived at the building. Let's go. Okay, now we are at this apartment. The entrance is also the dinner room. There is a table, only 3 chairs. I think the landlord will add a chair later on. Now, let's see. Right hand is the kitchen. There are 2 gas stoves. And the refrigerator is here, and the washing machine. This one has a dry function. Right. Now let's move ahead. Here is another room. It used to be a living room, but now the landlord changed this room into a living room. There should be a TV, the sofa, and the landlord still keeps the storage. Let's take a look of outside. It's totally city view. Quite far because this one is on the 5th floor, so it's quite high. Alright. Now let's take a visit for the bedroom. Here is the bedroom and the bathroom for the main bedroom. Let's see. Toilet, and this one has a bath tube. Not bad. Now the bed. The bed looks very soft, right? The air conditioning and the wardrobe. And the window for the outside view. Alright. The price for this one is 10,800 RMB per month. I think I would give this 8 out of 10 points. Okay, now let's see the next one. Alright, now we arrived at the gate. Whoa, it's quite tall. This one is on the 90th floor. Let's go. 名字9月10号，好的，谢谢啊。 Oh, let's go. Let's open the door. Okay, we are getting in. The entrance is also the living room. The living room is not that big, but this television is really huge. And the kitchen is connected with the living room. This kitchen has a dishwasher. Yeah, that is a dishwasher. And 2 gas stoves. By the way, it has an oven, but the oven is here. Above the washing machine, that is the oven. Another storage. Alright. Let's keep moving. The refrigerator. Now let's see the living room and the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. Only toilet and the shower. No bath tube for this one. Okay. The bedroom. The size for the bedroom is quite big, and the window is good. This is a large window. Outside is still the city view, quite good. Wow. The view of this direction is quite good. Oh, by the way, take a look for this. Yeah, I think this is something special in China. This machine is used to hang your clothes to dry them. The price for this one is 12,800. So expensive than the last one. I think I will give this 8.5 out of 10. Alright, now let's see the next one. We are now at the gate of the most expensive one. Look at this gate. This one looks luxury. Alright, now let's get in. We could take a look for the community. There are many statues. The community looks better than others. Alright, now let's take a look for the most expensive one. Door is open. Wow. Look at those switches. That means there are central air conditioning and floor heating. Let's take a visit for this one. This living room is quite spacious. And there is a dinner table. There are so many storage. Let's see. The sofa and the giant TV. That television is really huge. Okay. Now let's take a look of the balcony. In China, we also call this a balcony. There is a floor-to-ceiling window. The view is not that good. Oh, we could see the metro. Okay. Now the wash machine. This wash machine have the drive function. Another storage. This is a wardrobe. Alright, let's see other places. That is cool. On, off. When you turn this to off, you can take it out and turn on it. That's brilliant. Okay, now we're back at the entrance. This is a kitchen. Let's see. 2 gas stove. And this is the dishwasher. This side, I think, is the oven. Yeah. the refugee. And also many storage for the kitchen. Let's take a look. Yeah. Okay. Now the bedroom and the bathroom. First, the bathroom. Ooh, this bathroom is good. Toilet, shower, and bath tube. It's quite clean. I love this bathroom. Okay, now the bedroom. Wow, this window is quite good, really big. Okay, the bed is not a king-size bed, but I think it's enough for one person or two person. Also, central air conditioning. Outside, the view is quite good. Alright, that's it. And the price for this one is 18,800 RMB per month. I have to say that is quite expensive, and considering the environmental of the community, I think I would give this 7 out of 10 points. That's it. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Feel free to tell me which one do you like. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.